Oh my God.
He got our fish. Dad?
Sinker hook?
Mm-hmm.
They're coated too.
Ooh, ouch.
Coated sinker hook. They're super sharp. We just got those for your birthday, and those big old super shark. Super shark. Super shark.
Super
Ooh,
shark.
we should invent a hook. Call it super shark. Yeah. Anyway.
A little baby shark swimming in the water.
Make sure we got everything. Hey, where did that one knife go, buddy?
In here.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm sure.
Good deal. Okay. Let's put this knife in here again. So we got a knife in there. Let's put all this stuff away. Hit the river.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's good. Flathead River, here we come. Putting your water shoes on?
My super shoes.
Good idea. I've got my
They go in water, they go in
hiking boots just because it's kind of a hike down here to the river.
They go everywhere.
You gotta earn it, you know what I mean? You gotta earn it.
Like,
Okay, bud, you ready?
yeah.
Let's roll. Look at these choke cherries. My God. Choke cherries. Whoa. Oh man, I make a terrible deer. That was
Yeah, even though I can't have 5.
right. Activate super shoes and hiking boots. Activated. Whoa. Okay, I think the best way to do these is just get it, you know what I mean? Get it. Whoa.
I'm trying to get that bag with the fishing pole.
That's good. G-Man. That's a good one. Oh. Yeah, that wind picks up and really carries that. Sinker down by your hook. Yeah. Yeah, that wind, that'll kind of hold it from drifting as fast. Just got to keep hitting it. Don't let the weather screw you up. Not many perfect days. Not many perfect days in a year. Oh. What, is just a little baby messing around with my worm? Knock it off, baby. Go get your dad. Go get your dad. Well, we got some fish activity out there. There we go. Oh, that's a good one. Oh, did he get off? No, he's on there. He's on there. Oh. He feels like a good one.
Sweet.
Not a great one.
Oh my, that's not a sucker. That's not a sucker, Dad.
Is it not a sucker fish? Oh, nice. We got a little rainbow. Let me get that out of there. Not hurting you too much. Okay. Look at that. Oh, 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 yep. Oh, you little turd. I want to get a look at you. Look at that rainbow. He's been caught before. Okay, buddy. Here, bud, your turn. We're getting some bites. We caught that one fish. Well,
Something wrong with it.
no, you're good.
That happened to Shane a lot.
Oh yeah. It happens to everybody, buddy. Buddy.
Yeah, but like,
You've caught more fish than most 9-year-olds. Gavin, I can't find that orange bobber. Pick that pole up.
oh, I got fish on it.
You do?
Yeah.
You a little fishy? What do you got? Bring them over here.
Little trout.
Let me see. Oh, that's one of them. That's one of them little sucker fish. Here, hold him. Pick him up. Hold that little guy. Gavin caught a fish. There he goes. Here you go, buddy. Good job. What do you think, bud?
Cool.
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 I
yeah,
like that.
that thing's not gonna float
What thing?
over here. That
Look what that GoPro did to my head. Okay, should we get out of here?
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna head home and get ready and pack some stuff, and we're gonna go to Eureka, Montana. We're gonna pick huckleberries tomorrow, but tonight we might fish on the Kookanusa a little bit, or we might go fish on the creek. I don't know what we're gonna do yet, but we're gonna call it quits here at the Flathead today. Fishing's picking up, so we will be back here within the next 3 or 4 days. All right, let's pack it up and get out of here. Woo!
That's actually a pretty cool ball.
You missed it, Daddy-O.
What's up? So we're on our way to Eureka, Montana. Woohoo!
Ooh.
Woo! Anna, girl, you sleeping? Oh, Anna's sleeping. She's gonna miss the road trip. That's the best part, right? Look at this scenery. It doesn't get much better than that. What?
Get out of here!
Little baby deer.
Get.
Hey, it might cut back.
I know what you do.
I love going to Eureka. I've never been huckleberry picking. Do we need to bring anything for huckleberry picking, or they have everything, right? They're professional huckleberry pickers. Huckleberry pickers.
Daddy said something about you needed to bring your knife if you wanted to do elderberry stuff.
I have my name.
We've got knives. We're going up in the mountains where the bears are, because the bears love huckleberries too, unfortunately. And we're gonna fill up buckets of huckleberries. Oh my God, they're so good.
Dad,
I don't know how much I'll get in the bucket. I'm gonna get a whole lot in my mouth. I don't know, I think it's one of my most favorite places. Eureka, and the drive to Eureka is just absolutely beautiful.
That's a lot to do with my sleep.
Mom hates Eureka.
That's Eureka.
Mama don't like living in Eureka because she lived there for a while when she was a kid. And kids need to run wild and free in the mountains. They don't think they can do that. They want to be in the city.
No, I don't hate Eureka.
She just didn't like living there. It's too small for
Mom,
Mama. She
you
needs.
said you'd rather live in Eureka.
We're gonna see Dicky Lake here in a little bit. Anna, good morning. Sleepyhead.
Good morning. It's been about 30 seconds.
Guess what we're making tonight, sis? Baits.
You guys are.
Dinner. Supervising. We're going to Rexford.
We're going to Rexford.
That's not a truck.
Downtown Eureka.
Kind of reminds you of like buffalo shirting.
There's where Nanny works at.
Yep.
That's my Aunt Rosemary owned that liquor store when I was a kid. That's where I got my middle name.
There's a rock shop.
You got your middle name from that liquor store?
My aunt
From
that
your-
owned it.
Yeah. Ooh, I want some ice cream.
Jeez.
It's closed. What happened?
We picked up Nanny.
Hello, GoPro.
Wait, guys.
We went through Eureka and we're eating in Rexford.
I hate it. Wait, it's a whole another town that we're eating in?
Yeah,
I don't know if it's actually a town
It is.
or a township.
It is a town.
Is it a town?
This is part of West Kootenai. West Kootenai's called Rexford.
Meet Nanny.
Hi, GoPro.
Hi,
Who went to
GoPro.
school here? My grandpa? Oh, your grandpa?
The old Rexford is under. The old Rexford is under the Kootenai, right?
Yeah.
Under the.
Here, let's turn on the
under old Rexford.
Dad, now
This is
try
the
to
new
point it at
Rexford. They
us.
moved Rexford up here and then they
Dad, now
flooded.
try to point it at us. We got
And they
the light
flooded the valley, and that's the Kootenai now.
Yes! We had my grandpa's 80th
You could've
birthday
told me that
right
they were
here.
Frontier.
Remember? And he had his gun and he
Video game here.
was holding it up right here.
You're her only mama.
Challenge.
Buddy,
Talon.
what's my temperature?
Who?
Challenge.
Who's that?
Jeez, you're hot.
Thank you.
Talon?
Oh, you got it all cleaned up?
Pretty much, almost.
We can, you clean.
Nanny's making pickled beets. Well,
Everybody made them.
Yeah.
we just got done peeling and cutting and boiling, and now we're jarring beets. That's
And
the
we're
brine.
doing this at 10:40 p.m.
10:40 p.m.
And we did all these cherries.
There's jars of beets and they're boiling, old-fashioned
We
way.
dehydrated.
These are all jarred. Oh, that says apricots. That's an old label.
I changed. I relabel them.
Yeah.
Those are all jarred
These are
flathead cherries.
flathead cherries.
Local
Daddy, ready?
raw honey.
Give me that thing. Give me that.
What?
Or you break it.
Laser pointer thermometer. Is that your gun? Buddy,
Yeah.
come here.
And then here's the room. Here's the light. In the
Oh my god, that thing's huge.
Here's the
Isn't
light
that
in the room,
pretty?
bud.
Walking here.
Nice. Nanny's been stocking up. Got some wide mouth pints.
What are wide mouth pints?
We getting ready for the Chinese to invade or what, Sue?
Oh no, we're getting ready for the garden to be done.
Oh.
Don't touch him, guys.
He's probably
Don't
my
touch
grandpa.
him.
He likes me.
He likes me.
That didn't look like he liked you. That thing got mad.
No.
Okay, go to sleep, little buddy. Okay, we're gonna head out. It's early morning, Montana. We're gonna go up there and get them huckleberries. It's raining. You ready, Nanny?
I'm ready. Let's rock.
Nanny's gonna take us to the spot, which I can never ever tell you. I'm sorry. It's one of those locations that's indisclosed. Is it indisclosed or undisclosed? Indisclosed? In?
Let's go. We're burning daylight.
Okay.
Stay by your dad so the bear can eat him and not you. If you see one.
Yeah, the slowest person gets eaten by the bear. We should take Nico. No, Nico
No,
will
you're not
get,
taking Miko.
definitely get eaten by a bear. So who's the slowest, Gavin?
No, I'm faster than
No, you're gonna let
Are you
him
faster than me?
for you.
Crap. How slow is Nanny?
You're gonna let him all run.
Nanny, are you pretty quick on your feet when the bear's coming? Okay, we're good. Straight to the Huckleberry patch. Oh, okay. I gotta cut you off right here because we can't have any documentation of the way into the Huckleberry patch because it is such vital information that people will kill other people up here over huckleberries. That's the number one mobster right there, Huckleberry mob.
No, you should see Aunt Meg.
Aunt Meg's the boss?
Yes.
Who's the boss, Sue?
Meg's the boss.
Aunt Meg's, you're just number two?
No, I might even. Well, me and Teresa are number twos.
Number two, that's pretty high up on the mob chain though. The Huckleberry mob. Are you guys excited? Hopefully we don't see any bears. Well, I kind of want to see a bear and I kind of don't want to see a
As long as
bear.
it's not in our patch, I don't care if we see a bear, but
We've been traveling for about 45 minutes now. We're up deep. We're deep in the woods.
Now we don't have to wear seatbelts.
Yep. No seatbelt laws up here. It's actually there's a law against seatbelts up here in the high country. You don't want to get caught wearing them.
Squirrel.
Squirrel. Okay, we're here. Elderberry, Huckleberry, grizzly bear. Hopefully we don't see a grizzly bear. I'm kind of worried about grizzly bears because this is definitely their home. What's...
Oh my god. That's not the right place to get down.
You got your little shears. Come here, buddy. There we go. Okay, come on down. See the top of the stem? Yep. Good job, buddy. Look at you go. Annie, you gonna go pick some huckleberries with me?
Yeah, they're right here.
Okay, let's find a big old patch down there. Okay.
So just pick them.
Just start picking them, girl.
What if they're small?
That's all right.
That tastes like blueberries.
These are huckleberries. Hey?
Dad, need some gloves?
Nope. That's our bear deterrent. Your brother. We're getting some huckleberries. Okay, let's get down and dirty. Let's get busy. Put in some hard work here. Keep watching for bears. Oh wow, that was a hike. Ooh. Wow. Nanny is elderberry picking, and so is Gavin. It's a beautiful elderberry bush.
Aren't they pretty? I love the elderberry bush.
I got some hucks.
You're doing good.
Yeah. I've ate about that many too.
You can, and whenever you feel comfortable, you guys.
What's up, buddy?
What's up?
Oh. Man, you gotta work for these berries. I tell you what.
Got your candy, Dad.
What's that? You got me candy.
Maybe you're not calling. Why are you calling him?
Did you already eat all your other ones?
Yeah. Within like 2 days. I woke up craving them one day and they were gone.
Aren't they good fresh?
Elderberries. What is it?
What? It's recording.
No.
GoPro, stop recording. Night time. GoPro, stop recording.
Huckleberry time. We got a lot of huckleberries to eat. Yeah. We'll just throw them in there like that. I'll leave this one under cover.
Dinner at breakfast.
Dinner?
I mean, breakfast at dinner.
Yeah, breakfast at dinner. Huckleberry pancakes. That's what it's all about, right?